Hi there. Today, our topic is about users' access rights. We have a dialogue between Mike, Operations Manager, and Gary, IT Manager. After this conversation, we shall analyze the fact, discuss for any control deficiencies, and how to tackle these. Here is the conversation.
Gary, please help to clone a new user profile for my new supervisor based on the Joey's. Joey is leaving us soon. Please help to create this new user ID as soon as possible. Thanks.
Hi, Mike. Same as Joey's profile?
Yes, Gary. They have the same roles and responsibilities.
Okay, Mike. We'll let you know when done.
Hi, Gary. How is the new user ID?
Mike, my boss asked me to check Joey's access rights in details first. I cannot clone the exact access rights now.
Gary, what happened? They have the same job title, job roles and responsibilities. So easy to clone it. Your boss is new to the company. Let me discuss with him.
Mike, before you reach out to him, let me explain a bit first. Joey has been working in our company for over 10 years, and she has different roles during the period. Her access rights have been updated based on new roles and keep on increasing. Her profile has not been reviewed so far.
Gary, I don't understand and just don't care. Let me talk to your boss.
Gary's boss is new to the company and has a fresh eyes on risky areas. Based on preliminary findings by Gary, Joey, the leaving employee, has been working for this company for over 10 years and has been assigned to a few different roles and responsibilities. Access rights have been updated based on new roles and kept on adding. Straight to the point, it is obvious that there has not been any review of her system user's access profile when a new assignment was given to her. That is why Gary's boss wants Gary to check the profile in details before accepting Mike to clone the user profile to new employees. Currently, Gary is now searching for: is there any policies related to users' access rights? Which functions and the systems are appropriate for Joey's current role? What are access in the current profile are not appropriate? Yes, there should be a policy to govern systems users' access rights. Head of department should identify all the roles in his or her team in each system. Each role should have a unique functions. For example, customer services team roles can be CS supervisor, CS manager, CS assistant supervisor, or CS staff. These CS roles should only have functions in the system related to CS only. As for each function, these roles could be granted read, edit, create, delete access rights. Functions not related to CS should not be in their profile, not even read access. To recap, here are the key control points. There should be a policy related to granting of systems users access rights. This covers not only operating system. This can include system admin of company server, firewall and database, accounting system, HR system, etc. There should be periodical review of users' access rights and sign-off by head of department. Whenever there are change of roles of an employees, there should be a review of his/her profile covering all systems to ensure they are given appropriate access rights based on his/her new role. Thanks for your time in watching this episode. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Next episode is about door access system. Please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned.